The Israeli defense industry has once again demonstrated its ability to push the boundaries of tactical technology, this time through the remarkable acoustic performance of the Aero-Sentinel G2 unmanned aerial system. Independent testing conducted by an accredited laboratory confirmed that this compact reconnaissance drone is not only significantly quieter than its commercial rivals but is also nearly inaudible in real-world conditions. This level of acoustic stealth represents a major breakthrough for modern surveillance and military operations, where silence can be as vital as speed or endurance. The testing process was carried out by Galit Environmental Quality Company, an Israeli organization recognized for its expertise in acoustic measurement and environmental testing. Using precision anti-audio systems, specialists conducted comparative tests between 3 different drone platforms: the Aero-Sentinel G2, DJI's Matrice 350, and Autel's Alpha model. The drones were flown under identical environmental conditions, and sound measurements were taken at varying altitudes and distances ranging from 1 meter up to 1 kilometer. The results left little doubt about the G2's superiority in noise suppression and frequency management. At a distance of 1 meter, the G2 produced only 74.9 decibels, compared to 85.1 dB from the DJI Matrice 350 and 80.3 dB from the Autel Alpha. The difference may appear small on paper, but in practical terms it translates to a massive reduction in detectability. When sound levels were extrapolated for longer ranges, the G2 maintained its lead, generating just 28.9 dB at 200 meters and an astonishingly low 14.9 dB at 1 kilometer. At that distance, the human ear is virtually incapable of detecting any sound at all, effectively rendering the drone invisible to acoustic detection systems and unnoticeable in most operational environments. The frequency spectrum analysis provided even more revealing insights into the G2's stealth characteristics. Across the full frequency range, from 100 Hz to 16,000 Hz, the G2 consistently registered lower decibel levels than its competitors, especially within the mid-frequency band that the human ear perceives most easily. This balanced suppression across frequencies means that the drone avoids producing both high-pitched rotor noise and low mechanical hum, creating a nearly flat acoustic signature that blends seamlessly into ambient environmental sounds. This outstanding performance is no coincidence. According to Aero-Sentinel engineers, the G2 was designed from the ground up for covert reconnaissance and tactical surveillance. Every detail of its structure, from motor configuration to blade geometry, was optimized for quiet flight. The result is a system capable of operating at low altitude or within proximity of targets without alerting them through noise. Such capabilities are invaluable for defense and security units conducting sensitive operations, including intelligence gathering, border monitoring, or special forces missions behind enemy lines. The Aero-Sentinel G2 combines this stealth with robust performance characteristics that make it suitable for a wide variety of tactical scenarios. The drone can stay airborne for up to 80 minutes, an impressive endurance figure for its class, and reach a range of 11 kilometers on a single charge. Its propulsion system is fully electric, which not only contributes to its silent operation but also eliminates heat and exhaust signatures that can be detected by infrared or chemical sensors. Operators can conduct extended reconnaissance missions, maintain observation over specific areas, and even follow moving targets while remaining practically invisible. Compact and lightweight, the G2 measures only 60 centimeters across and weighs approximately 3.5 kilograms. Despite its small size, it can carry payloads of up to 1 kilogram, allowing it to accommodate a range of sensors, cameras, and communication relays. This flexibility means the platform can easily switch roles, from intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, tasks to communication support or electronic monitoring. The system can also integrate night vision, infrared, and multispectral cameras depending on mission requirements, offering operators a complete tactical toolkit in one discrete package. Flight performance is equally refined. The G2 can reach speeds of up to 12 meters per second, providing both agility and stability even in challenging weather conditions. Its line-of-sight communication range extends to 7 kilometers, and when paired with Aero-Sentinel's proprietary directional antenna system, this distance nearly doubles. Such range and endurance provide commanders and field units with a reliable asset that can perform continuous observation missions without frequent recovery or exposure. According to Aero-Sentinel, the G2 platform has already attracted the attention of multiple defense organizations and specialized law enforcement units around the world. Its near-silent profile gives operators a critical advantage during night raids, reconnaissance patrols, or border surveillance operations where the slightest noise could compromise the mission. Several special operations forces reportedly use the G2 for intelligence collection in high-risk environments, where stealth and reliability are more important than raw speed or payload capacity. The company emphasizes that the G2's acoustic stealth is part of a broader design philosophy that prioritizes discretion, endurance, and reliability. In tactical environments, drones are often detected long before they are seen, by the distinctive buzzing noise of their rotors or by high-frequency vibrations that alert nearby personnel. The Aero-Sentinel G2 solves this issue by virtually eliminating that auditory footprint. Its acoustic engineering allows it to approach, hover, and withdraw from target zones undetected, giving teams on the ground more time and freedom to operate without being compromised. Beyond its military applications, the G2's silent characteristics could also prove valuable in civilian and industrial fields. Environmental monitoring, wildlife observation, and emergency response all benefit from quiet aerial platforms that minimize disturbance to animals or people. Humanitarian organizations could deploy the G2 for search and rescue operations in populated areas without creating unnecessary noise or panic. This crossover potential highlights the dual-use nature of modern unmanned systems developed by Israel's defense sector, which often blends military-grade engineering with practical civilian benefits. From a strategic standpoint, the Aero-Sentinel G2 reinforces Israel's leading position in small unmanned aerial systems. The nation has long been a pioneer in drone innovation, with companies consistently producing platforms that redefine global standards in autonomy, endurance, and operational versatility. The G2 continues that tradition by achieving something rarely accomplished in drone engineering, true acoustic invisibility. In modern warfare and security operations, where electronic countermeasures and visual detection systems are becoming increasingly advanced, sound reduction may be the next decisive frontier. Ultimately, the Aero-Sentinel G2 represents more than just a quieter drone. It symbolizes a shift toward complete sensory stealth, an aircraft designed not merely to fly unseen but to exist unheard. This evolution underscores a growing recognition within the defense industry that success in future conflicts may depend on the ability to operate within the shadows, gathering information and delivering results before the enemy even knows something is in the sky. For Aero-Sentinel, the results of this independent testing serve as powerful validation of its technological vision. By achieving levels of acoustic suppression once thought impossible for rotary-wing drones, the company has set a new benchmark for what tactical unmanned systems can accomplish. Whether monitoring enemy movements, relaying communications, or conducting reconnaissance deep within contested zones, the G2 gives its operators a rare and invaluable advantage: the ability to see everything while being heard by no one. In a world where drones increasingly dominate both the battlefield and the skies above cities, the Aero-Sentinel G2 stands apart as a true ghost in the air, silent, precise, and nearly impossible to detect. Its combination of advanced engineering, stealth design, and operational flexibility has redefined the limits of what small tactical UAVs can achieve. And in doing so, it has reaffirmed that in the art of modern warfare, silence may indeed be the most powerful weapon of all.